Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the impossible quiz. This game is famous for its tricky questions and unexpected solutions. It's designed to challenge your assumptions and make you think outside the box. You'll encounter a mix of riddles, visual puzzles, and questions requiring precise timing. Remember, the game often uses humor and misdirection, so pay close attention to every detail. Don't be afraid to try seemingly absurd answers. They might be correct. The quiz features several question types. Some are straightforward riddles, while others involve visual puzzles where you need to click a specific, often tiny, area. Wordplay is very common, so consider alternative meanings of words. For timing-based questions, practice your reflexes. You might only have a fraction of a second to react. Don't rush, but be prepared to act quickly when necessary. To truly master the quiz, learn to use your skips strategically. These are limited, so save them for questions that seem truly impossible. Be aware of bombs, which put you under a strict time constraint. Answer these quickly or lose a life. Sometimes the answer is literally in the question itself, or a previous question might hold a clue. Don't be afraid to fail. Each mistake teaches you something new. The impossible quiz is designed to be challenging, so don't get discouraged by repeated failures. Take breaks if you're stuck and come back with a fresh perspective. Sometimes, the simplest answer is the correct one, even if it seems too easy. Remember, the goal is to have fun while being thoroughly confused. For more great deals and to check out the Echo Dot smart speaker, make sure to look at the links in the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.